Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and this is day 11, and I sped a lot of this up, but I will slow it down in a minute. But what Lynn is doing right now is he is mounting a steering gearbox mount on the frame. So we've got the frame stripped down, and we're getting ready to send it to the media blaster, and it's actually going to be sandblasted, primed, and painted, so when you see it, when it comes back, it's going to be looking sexy and shit. So what Lynn's doing is he's mounting the steering gearbox, and then he's going to grind it and get it ready to have it painted. And he's going to weld one plate on the outside driver's side where he's grinding right now. And I slowed this down. This is real time. So he's grinding all the metal here so he can clean it up and then weld the plate on that side. On the other side, where you can see the plate is installed right now, but that's going to be removed here in a few moments. But that way, when we send it to the blaster, they sandblast everything, and the plate on the left side or driver's side will be welded. The other one will mount later. What I'm doing is I'm knocking down any high spot on the frame, any imperfection. The original welds, a lot of them were kind of ugly, but they were just, it's production for the manufacturer. They're just pumping them out, and they never thought they would be seen. In most cases they weren't. So what I'm doing is I'm just cleaning everything up. So that's just an overview of what we're doing on these videos, and in a moment I'm going to slow it down, and Lynn's going to explain what he's doing up front and give a better explanation.
So that's called a stitch weld. You're just kind of going around it and stuff.
Yeah.
So that plate.
Pull them or not?
Yep. Yeah, I'm done.
Warm.
A little warm.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this other plate, we won't weld that plate on. We'll just bolt it on. That way they get in there and you know, since we primed that side, I wiped all the primer off, welded around it. So this side here, they'll go in there and just sandblast it, and then that plate we'll paint that plate and bolt it all together, and so that's done.
Bingo.
Good and tight.
So thanks again for watching, and the fee for these videos is simple. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you gained any value, if you enjoyed it, got a laugh. Share it with someone else that can benefit from it. That's how Google ranks videos. They'll put it out in front of more people. So I appreciate all the support. Anything that you do to help these videos is greatly appreciated by myself. I'm trying to grow this channel, so thumbs up goes a long way.